there's a lot of high-minded case law that's applied here. There's also an element of common sense that should be applied as well, which is that you don't need a fancy legal degree to understand that Congress intended for every eligible American to have access to tax credits that would lower their health care costs, regardless of whether it was state officials or federal officials who are running the marketplace. I think that is a pretty clear intent of the congressional law. This will work its way through the legal process, and we are confident in the legal case that the Department of Justice will be making.
Obviously, as these cases do work through the legal system, there could ultimately end up being a practical impact on people who are receiving subsidies. Can the healthcare law work effectively and continue to, as you say, be affordable for Americans without the subsidies being available in all states?
We are confident in the legal position that we have, that millions of Americans...
But if that legal position no longer becomes tenable, can the law work if these subsidies are not widely available?
Well, that is a hypothetical we may be able to entertain at some point. But right now, we are confident in the legal basis that supports our case. The Department of Justice will litigate these claims through the federal court system. And again, our confidence is rooted in the fact that it is pretty obvious what the congressional intent was here. Their intent was for every eligible American who applied for tax credits to make their health care more affordable to have access to those tax credits, regardless of whether it was state officials or federal officials who were running the marketplace.